to be mad. Gerald, what you so sad for?
How's it going, everyone? It's Angel Marquez here, coming at you with a video on making my first welding cart. Okay, so for this cart, this is what I wanted to have. I wanted to have 2 layers, so I get one for the welder itself and one for the accessories. Post for the ground, power, gun, and then a safety gear for like the helmet. And then I want to make it small enough to fit under this table right here. So the top layer is going to be 7 by 13, and then the bottom layer is going to be 9 by 13. Alright, so I made space for the welding cart. It's going to be under this table. Fun fact, I got this table out of a CHR. So I got all the welding accessories right here. And like I said, there's a space. Now, this is my first welding project. First time ever welding. Here are some of my beads. So it's going to take me a while, but I know when it's done, it's going to look good. And it's going to have all the functions that I want it to have. Alright, I'm going to get to cutting and... I got the majority of it done. So I'm going to stand on it, see if it can hold my weight. If it can, then I know I did a pretty good job. I should have made the top plate a little bigger, but I worked with what I had. And yeah, right now I kind of feel like a scientist trying to do some experiments. A little wobbly. All in all, pretty good. Alright, I'm going to see what I can fit on the bottom plate. Then we'll find out from there. Alright, so I was able to fit all my accessories, including my safety. I still have the apron on, but I'm pretty sure it'll fit under there. Need to add the caster's wheels as well, and that should be all. Alright, so I got it painted and I made a revision. I'm not going to do the post anymore, so I just used the magnet to hold everything on, and then the clamp, I just clamped it onto the card itself. But it came out alright. I know I could do a better job in it, so later in the future I'm going to make a version 2 of this and see how I can improve it. But for the meantime, it works, and that's all that really matters. So version 2 coming soon, and then hopefully I can get my welding's a little better. If you have any tips on welding flux, leave them down in the comments below. Like and subscribe, and have a good rest of your day. See you in the next one.